Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today we're going to attempt to cook this chicken here. We're going to use these potatoes, and celery, carrots, and this onion. And we're going to season it with some Mrs. Dash here. And one of my favorites is the all-purpose chicken seasoned by LAWRY'S. So let me get started out. Now I already washed this bird and cleaned him up and dried him off good. So next thing I'm going to do is start putting some seasoning on him. First thing I'm going to do is the back side here. I'm going to go ahead and start out with my pepper. Some salt. Go ahead and put a little dash on here. Some LAWRY'S. Okay, and we'll rub that in a little bit, just like this, as much as you can. And then we'll flip them over. Do the same thing on this side. Now, next thing we'll do, we gotta get over here to this Ninja FOODi and get it turned on. Okay, now we'll take a couple of tablespoons of oil down in the bottom of this pot here. I'm going to turn on the power. I'm going over here to where it's sear saute at. I'm going to leave it on high for the time being. We'll hit the start button. Let it start getting warmed up. In the meantime, I'm going to get started on these veggies. I got to peel this onion here and got to dice up some of these celery here, and I'm just going to leave the baby carrots alone and put them down in there. So I'll get started with this onion. Okay, now I can smell the olive oil pretty good down there, so I know that means it's about hot enough to put this chicken down in there. So now we'll put it down in here, breast first, just like this. Oh yeah, that's searing up good right there now. While I'm at it, we'll go ahead and turn the temperature down to medium on it, because we don't want it to sear too fast down in there. So, now back to the veggies. Okay, now turn that chicken over now. That's searing on the back side. And so now I'm going to go ahead and wash these, well, I've washed all these vegetables. And I'm going to season these potatoes about the way I usually do. I usually just spray them with olive oil. Just like that. And I'll use some more Mrs. Dash here. Pepper. A little salt. Now, if you ever seen me do this before, I just mix them up like this all the way around. Just keep on so you can look down there and tell if they're covered pretty good with the seasoning. So you can handling them too much, you can keep from it. Okay, now the veggies are about ready to go in there. I finished with this, get this chicken where it's seared good. We'll be ready to go. Let me check it. Okay, now that little hen is seared real good on both sides like that. Now I'm fixing to turn off the power on this thing because we'll have a change situation here. We'll turn it off. And then we'll attempt to take that chicken out and put it over here on this rack. Okay, now I've got this kind of chicken broth I've had back there for a while. It needs to be used anyway, so I'm going to open it up and use it. There's 2 cups in here. So let me do that and I'll pour it in over here. Now I'm not taking any of those juices and stuff out of this pot before I put this chicken broth in here. I'm just going to let it all mix together. Just let it add flavor to it. There you go. Now, next thing I'm going to do, trying very hard not to burn myself. We'll take this rack here, put this chicken on it, set it right down in there like that. Perfect fit. Now I'm just going to start scattering these veggies around here. Although I really didn't want to go there because I got something else planned for that. Now I've got this half a stick of Land O'Lakes butter here, and we'll put in this cavity here. Don't forget when you're doing this, that pot is still hot. It hasn't cooled down any. Okay, and then we'll go throw these taters in there. Just like that. Y'all gonna love this chicken. Promise you. I'm going to do just like this with this, I know y'all couldn't see that. That was the celery and the some more of the onions, mostly the celery. And I forgot my carrots, so hey, we can't be forgetting our carrots. There you go. Now, we're going to put this lid on, put it on sealed. Alright, make sure it's turned to seal. Come over here and turn on the power. Alright, we're going over here to where it says pressure. And it's going to be on high. We'll set it for 30 minutes. Okay, and then you go hit the start button. And there it goes. Now it's going to take it about, with as much stuff as this has got in it, it wouldn't surprise me if it didn't take it 10 or 15 minutes, maybe even 20 to build up enough pressure to start cooking. But it will shortly, and that's going to take off. So, in the meantime, while y'all don't have anything to do except watch those little lights, how about joining our channel and give us a thumbs up? We sure appreciate it. Thank you very much to all you people that watches our videos. Watch them, watch them, watch them. Alright, we'll be back in a few minutes. I'm going to time it so I can tell you how long it took for it to build up pressure. Okay, now the little button just popped up, and it's been exactly Been exactly 20 minutes since I hit the start button. Now, if y'all have one of these, you already know this, but the people that don't, these lights are still going to chase each other like that a little bit until it starts to counting down. And usually that takes 3 or 4 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes, something like that, not too long. So as soon as that starts counting down, then you're on your way to a big dinner. Okay, and there it goes from 30 minutes. Now it took exactly 24 minutes from the time I hit the start button. It took it 20 minutes for that button to pop up back there, and then it took another 4 minutes for it to start counting down. So now, another 30 minutes, we'll be ready to eat a big dinner, if that chicken's 165 degrees. So we'll see. But I was looking at Google a while ago, and according to Google, it says 165 degrees, and you know if Google says it, it must be true. So we'll be back. Now we're down to about 34 seconds here, and if you didn't see one of my videos where I mentioned this little metal strip up here on top of this lid, that thing gets extremely hot. Do not touch that. I don't know why they didn't put some kind of warning on here or some kind of cover on that thing, because it gets extremely hot. You know, the old one, the original Ninja FOODi, it didn't do that. You could touch it anywhere on top, but you don't want to touch that one on top right there, because if you do, it's going to hurt you. So pay attention. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick release here. Probably take a second or two for it to die down, so we'll see. Okay, now as you can see by the clock counting up here, it's been almost, well, it's been 5 minutes since it started venting. And so the little button back there should drop any time, and so we can take the top off. Should be real close now. Okay, and there it went. That took a total of 7.5 minutes for that to drop. So next thing we'll do is get this top off of here. Just had to move it around a little bit so I can get a hold of it better. Now to take it off, you turn it counterclockwise, and you make sure you turn it away from your face, because you don't want that steam to come up and hit you in the face. Just like that. Oh boy, that looks pretty good right there. Let me see if that chicken down there is done. It looks like it's done, I'll tell you that. Oh yeah, it's over 165. About anywhere I put it. Oh yeah. Now all we gotta do is figure out how to get it out of there. Okay, now I've got this glass dish here, and I'm gonna attempt to put most of it in there. Keep most of it from hitting the floor here. Ah, them 2 carrots just want to fall out. Oh yeah, that worked out better than I even thought. Okay, now I'm just trying to get these veggies off this rack here. Get them all down this bowl. Don't get carried away now. This rack here is still warm. It ain't warm, it's hot. So, see if I can do it like this now. Oh, don't fall off of there, buddy. I want you to stay up there for a minute or two, because I got something for you to do. There you go. I almost grabbed hold of it. Now I'm going to set this right back down to this Ninja FOODi here. Now I'm going to crisp this thing on 400 degrees for about 5 minutes. Alright, I set it at 390. I'm going to run the temperature on up to 400. And we'll run the time down here to 5 minutes. And then we'll hit the start button. We'll let it go now for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna tell you right now, I've been snacking on these veggies over here. These veggies are really good. They're delicious. And the chicken's good too. I tasted it too. The chicken's really good too. I just don't, and I like the way it looks, but I just don't like the way the top feels. I thought I would crisp it up just a little bit, not much. So that's the advantage of when you sear it to start with. You already got that pretty color on there and everything. Okay, now we're down to 30 seconds here. And we're going to take it out and put it in that dish over there with those veggies. And it won't last long. Let me move the camera so you can see it when I see it. Alright, we've got another 4 seconds to go. Okay. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, the thing's just sizzling right away. Okay, and here he comes. The star of the show. Oh, if I ain't careful, he's going to fall apart. I really don't want him to fall completely apart. Well, one leg's going to stay behind, I think, and a wing. There you go. Tell me that's not a tender looking chicken right there. Mix them up like that. There's an onion there. Now let's see how it tastes. You ain't gotta worry about a knife with it, I'll tell you that. See that? That looks good, don't it? If you want to impress somebody with a tender and moist chicken and tender veggies, you won't never go wrong with this. That celery and those carrots. And potatoes. That is really good. Okay, if I forgot to tell y'all, that's about a 3.5 pound chicken. And y'all saw the veggies I put in there on top of it. Cooked it for 30 minutes, pressure cooked it for 30 minutes, and then put the chicken back in there just by itself for 5 minutes to let it crisp up just a little bit. And it did. Well, you can't hear it, but it's more crispy than what it was. So anyway, I guess you can leave it in there longer, but it's so done you don't want to leave it in there any longer. And it's got a pretty color to it. And that's what helps you. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video, because I sure enjoy making it, and I'm going to enjoy eating it. So till next time, I hope you come back and see me real soon and watch more of my videos. And y'all have a real good and safe day. And we'll see you later now. Goodbye.